Hello friends! Welcome back to Global English Talk. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Tom. Thank you so much for listening today.
We're very happy you're here.
Today's topic is travel.
Yes, travel English is very important.
When you travel, you need English at the airport,
At the hotel,
at restaurants.
and when you ask for help.
Don't worry, this lesson is easy English.
Beginner level, slow speaking, many repeats.
So relax, smile, and let's learn English together.
Tom, do you like traveling?
Yes, I do. I like traveling by plane.
Friends, listen. Travel means go to another place.
You can travel by plane, bus, train, or car.
When you travel by plane, you go to the airport.
Friends, airport is the place where planes go.
At the airport, you hear this question. Where are you going?
Good question. You can answer, I'm going to London.
Or, I'm going to Paris. Let's learn some important travel words. Travel, go to another place. Airport, place for planes. Ticket, paper or phone. Pass to travel.
Passport, your travel ID. Luggage, your bags. Hotel, place to sleep.
Great job! Now friends, repeat after me. I like to travel. I go to the airport. This is my ticket. This is my passport.
Excellent. Now repeat after me. I have one bag. I need a hotel. I am on vacation. I need help, please.
Very good. Now let's practice a short airport conversation.
Sarah is the traveler. I am the airport worker. Hello, may I see your passport?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Where are you going?
I'm going to New York.
Do you have luggage?
Yes, I have one bag.
Okay, have a nice flight.
Thank you. After the airport, you go to a hotel.
At the hotel, you check in.
Friends, check-in means tell the hotel you arrived.
Listen to this sentence. I have a reservation.
Reservation means the room is ready for you. Hello, I have a reservation.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Sarah.
Here is your key.
Thank you. Here are very useful travel phrases.
Listen carefully. Where is the bathroom? How much is this? I don't understand. Can you help me, please?
Let's repeat together.
Where is the
the
bathroom?
bathroom?
How much is
How
this?
much is this?
I don't understand. Can you help
Can
me,
you
please?
help me, please? Now let's hear a short story about our friend Anna.
Anna is traveling for the first time.
She goes to the airport early.
She has her passport and ticket.
At the airport, she feels nervous.
But the workers are kind.
Anna flies to Rome.
She goes to a hotel.
She says, I have a reservation.
Anna is happy. She enjoys her trip.
Let's review today's lesson. Important words. Travel, airport, ticket, passport, hotel, luggage.
Important phrases. Where are you going? I'm going to. I have a reservation. Can you help me, please?
Excellent work today.
Thank you so much for listening to Global English Talk.
We are very happy to learn English with you.
If you like this episode, please like, subscribe, share with friends.
And leave a comment.
Now, our question of the day.
Where do you want to travel?
Write your answer in the comments.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.